Hey guys, and how's it going on? Welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to add a morph transition in Google Slides. So if you're using an older version of Google Slide, there is a potential chance that you do not have the morph transition in that. So we have an easy fix for that. The solution is to export a sequence as video, then place the video onto the slide. It's easy to do and looks exactly like it should on any version of PowerPoint. So here's how to do it. Click a morph transition between two or more slides. Click out the very helpful. Check out the very helpful use the morph transition in PowerPoint from Microsoft instructions. If your slides are the part of a larger presentation, save your files under the different name, then delete all but the morphing slides. Export the morphing slides as video. Insert the video in your presentation. Set the video to start automatically and set the slide to transition. After the video stops, watch the video below where you can also get some help. And yeah, so basically this is the step on how you can easily use a morph effect on an old version of PowerPoint. And if you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try my best to reply and get back to you as soon as possible. And with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of videos.